Monday looks really good. Yeah, it
Just
really
in
does.
time for us to get back to work.
78 and sunny.
Replacing toxic ingredients in carpet, refreshing powder with natural options.
Yes, holistic health expert and our good friend Leigh Mercree joining us this morning. We're going to whip up something that not only smells good, but cleans well.
Yes, we are. We're going to skip the chemicals, we're going to skip the parabens, we're going to go all natural and jump into some aromatherapy with a natural carpet deodorizer.
Which is important because some people have bad allergic reactions to some of the stuff that's out there in the market.
Exactly, and they contain free radicals, which aren't great for our health. And I was thinking we could do a little aromatherapy free association.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna mix it up a little bit. So first of all, I was thinking, since I've noticed on Greg's Twitter.
That's right, very popular page.
Very, very popular page.
Followed by 4 people.
Me, Jim, and your parents.
Yes.
And
Leigh Mercree.
me. I
appreciate
retweet him sometimes. He's very funny. You should follow him on his Twitter. What's your Twitter handle?
At GParker812.
There you have it.
All of your wildest fantasies will come true on the Twitter page.
I'm still waiting.
I think we're waiting with bated breath.
Yes.
I learned on Greg's Twitter page that he has a dog who sometimes has an accident on the carpet.
That has happened before since we've had our baby. Yes.
Yeah, well, especially then. So I was thinking maybe he could take home our carpet deodorizer.
Okay.
That works.
So we're going to I'm going to show you 3 different aromatherapy options, but we're going to make our uplifting scent because it contains all oils that are safe for dogs and cats as well. So we're going to talk about all that. So we're going to start with a jar that has a shaker top.
Okay.
I happen to be crafty, so this used to have glitter in it.
Oh.
But if you aren't crafty or you don't have something like that on hand, you can use a powdered sugar shaker.
Okay.
You can use a mason jar and put a piece of cardboard in the top and poke holes.
Hey, that works.
And then we're going to start with a household ingredient we all probably already have, baking soda.
Yeah, I have that in my sock drawer.
Haha, exactly. And this carpet deodorizer, by the way, you're going to use it and then vacuum it up on your carpet, but you can put it in shoes, and you can sprinkle it around in whatever way you would like, but it's actually really good in shoes. So we have our baking soda. We're going to start with our uplifting scent. So we'll start with an aromatherapy free association. I'm going to have you smell this scent. You don't know what it is. What is the first word that comes to mind?
Oh, lemon.
Very close. This is grapefruit.
Oh, okay.
So grapefruit is uplifting. We're going to put in 5 drops of grapefruit. Uplifting, centering, enlivening.
Ooh, enlivening.
And you're having a very enlivening, uplifting scent. What does this smell like to you? First thing comes to mind.
That smells like lemon.
Close. Lime.
Lime.
Oh, you know.
We're going citric.
The only time I
Okay.
smell those is when they're in a drink.
Well, there you go. 5 drops of lime going
I
in
think
there.
it's lime.
Lime is great for your liver. It is antibacterial. It is antifungal.
I put it in beer sometimes.
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay, next.
Okay, it's another citrus, but I don't know what it is. I'm gonna
Yes.
Oatmeal?
orange.
Close. What do you think?
Oatmeal.
You said It does say orange.
Oh, orange.
I say orange.
That's the lemon. Very, very
Doggone it.
close.
Well,
And we're 3 for 3.
failure
Antibacterial.
right here.
Antibacterial. Antifungal. Great for everything. So that is our uplifting scent. So I'm going to put a little bit more grapefruit in there because we want to really get that smelling nice.
And then do you just shake it all up?
And then you shake it up, and after we're gonna do a few more options for those of us who don't have pets. So all 3 of those citrus scents are safe for dogs and cats. We have some other options that we don't use with dogs and
We
cats.
have about a minute left. If we were to make those just real quickly, what would we do?
We would use lavender, safe for dogs, not cats.
Okay.
We could use peppermint, not safe for pets.
Oh, okay.
Peppermint?
Peppermint?
Peppermint.
I wanna smell
Not for
Smell
pets.
that one.
Okay.
Not safe for pets. We could use, so that's a herbal, uplifting, and enlivening one as well. And then we have
Oh, that smells really good.
clary sage
Clary sage, huh?
for clarity. Clary sage clarity.
Interesting.
And you can pair that with clove bud, which is also not safe for dogs or cats.
Clove bud, huh?
How's that one?
So you have to be very careful if you have pets
Smells
or
good.
not, but regardless, It's a way to make something that
It
isn't
is.
store-bought, no
Shake
chemicals.
it up.
Shake some in here and let's see how it smells.
Shake it off.
Yes, it's a way. So if you don't have pets, you can make any of these. If you do have pets, then you would make our citrus version.
Great.
And
Well, we'll make sure to put this on our website
Yes.
as well, and a link to Amy's so that you can get some of
Yes.
these recipes and ideas. Our website is abc-7.com, and our time right now is 9:54. We're going to be right back.